Uh-oh, fail post the tweet. Okay, that's fine. Should be live. Well, it should be live now.
Well, it should be live now. Yeah, you are.
Thank you. I'm just reading something, guys. I'm not focused on that screen what you're watching. So there is a weakness. But still everything is intact, the trend line, so I'm not gonna go anything crazy. YouTube is messing with me, yeah, man. YouTube is, the problem is, they know, man, we take a lot of spaces on their server, right? Because it's a lot of live streaming and they're recording. So when we do live streaming recording over there, it's free, right? YouTube, it's free. So they see we only have like a, what, 1500 followers, 1600 followers, and only 100 people watching. So sometimes they put us on a shitty server. That could be the case. We have more, we need more followers. Working hard, but I think it take up another 5 years. Powell is Jerome Powell at 2 p.m. What does he gonna be talking? Oh no, man, he's gonna repeat the same tape recording. The market is compressing in this resistance and support right here. That's what I'm watching right now. Weakness is there, guys, right now. Market all the EMA looking super bullish right here, right? But the MACD is not. So we're gonna compress around here. We're not gonna. I'm not gonna go in any direction right now. Creating the wedge. This is another support. Market might test here and then it will bounce. So probably around 15 minutes. $3,635 put I'm watching. Setting up the perfect right now. golden opportunity setting up for the short. Let's see. And lunchtime they are doing all these things. Mm-hmm. $220, I mean 3635 SPX put, 220 I paid $2.20. The trend line has been broken. Still the support is intact, trying to break through. This support is important to watch. Here we go. There we go. Look at that, it's printing. See, this is how you print. MACD pointing south. Still the slower EMAs are still bullish until that crosses. QQQ MACD entering into the bear territory. SPY MACD entering into bear territory. So this is how when you have picture perfect setup, you can enjoy the ride. Still the EMAs are EMA, I'm waiting for more EMA. Once that EMA cross, maybe can roll. The MACD still did not cross all the way. Once that cross, you will see pressure. Still compression going on in that area. The MACD looking super duper weak. Here we go, roll baby roll. %36 profit so far. MACD entering into the bear territory. Still the slow EMA is not being crossed yet, so it might compress something. QQQ looking more bearish. That is printing right now. Microsoft testing the support area. So compression right here, everything Microsoft has a support. Apple, nope, Apple doesn't have support, and still way far. Right here.
Check PayPal.
I'm sorry?
Check PayPal, it's falling.
PayPal? Okay, let me check. Yeah, Peter, tell PayPal is falling. No, PayPal, yeah, PayPal is little bit up. You're right. MACD entering into bear, and right now just started falling. Correct. Trend line has broken. Support line, linear line also broken. We are the VWAP. Once we break the VWAP, it's gonna go down. So right now in the compression, you just need to wait for some time. But yeah, weakness is already built. You can see right here resistance from the top. Right here is your resistance. That's the rejection double top, and your neckline is here. This area is your next 86. %50 up. $45 now. Still we have the all the lines are not, EMAs are not aligned yet. Once that aligns, let's see. The MACD has a little divergence, so waiting for the blue line, the purple line cross. Those who took a class, they know what I'm talking about. That has to be crossed in order to be more bearish. Until then, which is compression. Still has the same numbers. SPY puts coming in, calls coming in now. This is the support to watch. See that? What did I say? It's a compression coming in. Tesla got a support right there. Look at the SPY call coming in. A lot of SPY calls comes in. Now the blue line crossing the purple line. This is the support area. Once that support breaks, or you can bounce, one of them to watch. What's the possibility? Powell comes, yeah, Powell comes and market. What are possibilities? I don't know about that, man. Market maker has agenda to burn the premium. It's a Friday. They're gonna burn the premium. That's what they're gonna do. That's why we don't stay in the trade. We just take the money and run. Market offers opportunity to take the money. This is your risk right here. If we bounce, we go north. Watch out all the EMA. If you break, we go south. If you break the north, we're gonna go north. Netflix has a gap below. VIX is popping up. Netflix is super duper bearish. Yeah, Netflix is LOD. Yeah, lot of bearishness on Netflix. Exactly. Still Apple. Keep eyes on Apple. SPY is like a straight arrow, you see. So this is the bear flag setting up, look like, huh? I don't know, let's see. This is not a bear flag. Yeah, look like bear flag, look at that. Yeah, that's the bear flag. Okay, EM is lining up. That's the bear flag. This is your support to watch. It's gonna break, baby gonna roll down. That's this, and then the next support is here all the way. If that breaks, okay. Until that, I'm gonna go and take a bear flag in play. Right there. Bear flag in play. Still watching. Pressure is downward. This is your support to watch. Ticks are taken down. Apple has a pressure. Still the SPY is holding the support area. Still holding the support. MACD is in a bear territory right now. So it's compression right here. Yep, right there. Support is right there. Still compression. It's not giving up. Now giving up. Okay. Wife is calling for lunch. Okay. Support broken. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. Support broken. Breaking. I mean, it's just not like. Man, still market is trading same place. Guys, I'm apologizing. I'm taking my lunch, but I'm in a trade and I'm losing money. Divergent coming in. Look at that. Man, I could not book my profit. Yeah, divergence coming in, compression. Wow, look at that. wash out all the bears big time. And I had a crazy profit I couldn't book. Look at that power. 360. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Compression. MACD pointing north. Yep. This is bullish. This is a bullish right here. Man, I could not book my profit. Okay. Support is here to watch. See the difference between from here to here. I shorted. I had a 50% profit here, right? Here or here, 50% profit, and after that is now 20, 70, 80 cents. Oops, sorry. 35%. Still the conversion line is holding. Yeah, it's bullish. Let's do what's happening here. Look at that, man. I forgot this. Look at this. This is bullish, super bullish. You see this? This is bullish. This is big time. No, this is within the day, right? Yeah. Trying to break the cloud. MACD entering into bull territory. Oh, boy. What a dirty games. Man, MACD entering into the bull territory, huh? Cycle. So they might go back here. That's the support. This support is important. QQQ has more weakness. Look at the MACD. Oh yeah, divergence coming in MACD. Yep, look at that. Look at that flush. Yep, here we talking. Yep. Boy, look at that. Okay, back in the game. Now divergence. Let's look at the EMA. Yep, EMA is lined up too. QQQLOD. Apple has a support this area. That's why it's bouncing everything from the support. Everything has a support, guys. Watch out. Microsoft broke the support. Yeah. They're washing out bulls and bear both.
Every time I go to book my profit, I get a huge green candle coming right back.
You got it. Man, I feel the same way. Look at that power. Man, look at that power, man. Look at that. All the bears get lost immediately. Look at this. All the stop loss get immediately wiped out. All the stop loss get. Look what those engulfing candle comes immediately after that. Washing out every. Look at that. What a move, man, these people have, huh? See that? They think we're gonna break the floor, and nope. Now we're gonna go north. Look at that north.
Would those swings up and down like that affect VIX?
Yeah, they do. Right there, VIX drop too. When the green candle came, powerful green candle engulfing big, so VIX drop.
Is that a gap on VIX?
Everywhere is a gap, but it can fill at some point of time. But VIX is not important. SPY important. You can see a VIX has a lot of gap. Man, this MACD is this is dangerous MACD, guys. Okay, we are watch out on the short side. This is, look at that, pointing north. Watch out, pointing north. MACD. Yep, pointing north, wants to go north. So everything is support, guys. Bouncing from support. Remember, Google, Apple, everything. So you can't expect to break the support. It's dangerous breaking support like that easy. So everything is support. So market. Major indexes I'm talking about, like Microsoft has strong support right here. Look, we've been trying last 4, 5, 6 times, got rejection. Look at Google, also got rejection support. See that? So Google, Apple support is right here too. 2 times it had rejection. Powell is speaking. Let me see Powell speaking. Market gonna bounce whenever he speaks.
Well, he's not really speaking. He just gave an introductory speech, but there's a bunch of Fed speakers talking in a meeting. They're talking about the transitioning to the post-pandemic economy.
Yeah, looking super bullish. Look at that. SPY tried to bounce, breaking out north, wants to go north. What I said. MACD pointing north. All the EMA jumbled up here and now pointing north. Link up. If you want, I can put it up there. Look at that.
The live sports.
MACD bullish.
The shortage of drivers was an issue then, and it'll be a much bigger issue now. And the prediction is it will be an issue in the future. We've seen some estimates that the shortage will double by the year 2020. And to give you an idea of the size of the driving force that is out there, the universe of truck drivers today is 1.53 million drivers. So you take, a 5% shortage, 6-7% shortage, I mean, it's going to be significant out there. As a result, the cost of labor has increased significantly for everyone in the supply chain. With the supply of labor down, the competition for drivers heated up immensely. There was an extreme amount of pressure on the transportation and logistics side, and still is, and probably will continue to be for the foreseeable future. In order to attract and retain drivers, our company raised our wage rate 3 times in 2022 so far. In 2019, we gave all our employees free health care. And then we gave all our drivers and warehouse workers
All the EMA deceptive.
retention bonuses. If they stayed with us to the end of the year, they would get a bonus paid out on the 30th of January. And that did much to solidify the workforce. Then there were the supply chain issues. And the shortages of products we sell every day from
Still
our
I'm at the loss.
supply
Can you
chain
believe it?
vendors was significant and still exists at a high degree today. Prior to the
Now
pandemic,
profitable.
we measure our inbound fill rates from our vendors every week. We have a number of metrics that we utilize every week. Our inbound fill rate from our vendors was 99.2%. So for every 100 items that we would get in, or we would order, we'd get 99.2 in. Our inbound fill rates, right after the pandemic started, dropped down to about 55-60%. By December of 2020, it was up to 90%. And in 2021, we had a pretty good start, and then it dropped to 78 to 80%. And this year, it was probably in the 80% range, 82% range. And for the last 10 weeks, it has been running 90%,
Strong support.
which is good news. We changed our inventory philosophies because we had many customers out there that depended on us for products. So we started loading up our inventories. We used the popular inventory philosophy of JIT, just in time. And then we changed it to JIC, which is just
Strong
in case.
support everywhere.
And so we're over.
Microsoft broke
we're
the
over
support
inventory.
floor.
If those people need
Microsoft
products,
broke the floor.
A restaurant who's got an event planned for Friday night, and you make a delivery Thursday, and the product isn't there, he's in trouble. And it's all, our business is all about customer service.
Here we go. Wow, look at that.
As a rule, today, most of the time, we don't know what we're going to receive from the vendor, and which is kind of unusual. there are many challenges for the vendor community out there. A lot of it has to do with raw materials. They have labor problems also. They've got priorities on certain lines that they're producing.
Wow, look at the
And
EMA. Super duper south.
so anyway, most of the time we don't know what we're not going to get until the truck unloads, or we might have a call from that vendor, which is a switch from the norm. And the timing of deliveries is probably not as great as it was pre-pandemic.
Support.
Since the pandemic began, our vendors have eliminated over 900 items that we no longer have. And especially in the convenience.
Support, there's a support, okay?
That's where we really notice it. You know, between wages, worker shortages, the price of fuel, and the supply chain.
There we go, load is gone.
Our costs have really skyrocketed. We believe and have gone through our numbers and look at the inflation numbers. We look at our inbound freight rates, understanding that we get probably our products from the grower.
Wow, look at that, baby man. Look at the game, man.
So they have freight into their establishment.
Hold on, guys.
And
Let me look at that. I want to exit. $4. Still weakness.
Okay.
Is
I closed.
Nice.
I made 225 on the day so far.
Still weakness. Wow. 420. Wow, can you believe it? The asking price is $4.10 and I put it $4.20. Give me $4.20 and it got executed. Remember, did not even move the candle yet, okay? Just to let you know. So that means bill above asking price I asked and it got executed. So I mean, amazing, man. You know, when you get like this, I wanted to have 100% profit, but you know, it's that's okay. You know, I got 91% profit. 91% profit, guys. Look at what pain I gone through. Look at the pain I went through. But I thought, you know, so that target was, our target is on a daily chart. We are heading there, man. Look at that finish line. Market is finish line heading right there. You see that? This is how you trade, man. This is how you trade, guys. Normally I don't stay in the trade, you notice, and I don't want to say too much. Let the job finish. But I announced that I'm a good size here. You notice every time I announce good size, I was going through the pain. But I know that this is gonna happen. All the games will be going through this. Yesterday, remember I was teaching about the risk sim. That's the risk right here. But I know what exactly going to happen. And look, that happened. This is how you print 90% profit in 30-40 minutes. I could have held on it because I see the weakness was there, but man, you know, when you see 100% profit, you don't want to wait. You want to take your money and run, right? That's the way. That's the game. All right. That's the game. That's it, man.
Yeah, that's why I closed my positions.
Good job, sir. Everybody. Anybody was in the trade? Just checking if anybody was in the trade. Man, I knew this game will be. This kind of the setup I always look for. Man, what a trade today. Beautiful setup, man. Amazing. See, you notice that, you know, when there's a setup, that's what I look for, a good setup, and I trade, and then you go with your size and you make good money. When there's no setup and you know something like you ping pong, you can put a coin there, but need to identify the setup. But if you have a PDT rules and all those things, then you got to stop trading. You got to trade 1 or 2 trades a day. That's it. But the more the trade you take it, what happens? If you keep trading, you're running out of you draining your money, and they don't allow. All the money will not be available immediately. It will be available immediately next day. That's why you got to identify what you are doing, based on your thesis, based on your account. What's up, try?
I was in that trade, SPX.
Did you?
Oh, it was amazing. Yeah, amazing. Even from this morning, I think really good. I played all puts on the green candles. Every time green, shorted. Every time green, shorted. It was amazing.
Got it. Good job though. But look, every day market cannot have a same direction, right? Market yesterday direction was different, today direction was different. So in my class, what I teach is different technique. So it's not like green you short it. That's the wrong way to go. Or maybe today is your day, but then another day, whatever you make, you could give back that money back to the market. That's not the way to go for. This is what I teach, but it's up to you. Yeah, absolutely, you can short like that. I'm not trying to say you did wrong. That's fine. Everybody has their thesis, but when you take a classes, you understand what I'm talking about, how to identify the trade and setup, and then you can stay in the trade. Like this trade, normally I would have take 50% profit. I had it here, guys. I had a 50% profit here. I did not take, and I went for a lunch, and I said, you know what? Let me watch while I'm taking lunch. I know it was painful, and I say, hey, 0% profit from here. 50% profit becomes 0%, and then guess what? Eventually paid off, and I exit out at the bottom. Look at that.
Yeah, I was trying to wait for VWAP on SPY, but I wouldn't even touch VWAP. It was really hard, because usually I like to short off of VWAP, but it was not happening at all.
You got it right. That's true.
Wow, it's still going. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, compression.
Congratulations, Tristan.
Excellent job, man.
Small wins, very small wins.
Tristan, you been here first time, or you've been here in this community?
Since I think probably April.
Oh wow! Okay.
Yeah, I retweet most of your stuff. I retweet all the spaces. I haven't taken a class, but I retweet most of your stuff, and I like all the YouTube most of the time.
Got it. Classes is important, guys. I tell everybody, take class. At least, try 1 or 2 classes and see how you feel about it. At least options and the fundamentals and intraday. These are 3 people who doesn't want to financial understand, macro understand. But these 3, the technicals, 2 classes and 1 class option. Those are must for who is in market.
I had tried to message you the other day. There was a day where there was some Apple flow. I think it might have been yesterday or right before FOMC. They bought a whole bunch of Apple for, I think it was November or January 10th, 2023. And those, they bought 130, they bought 135. It was like a massive amount of money put into it. And I tried to follow into it, but I was really late. But those are really printing right now. They're almost, I think they're up about 50%.
Got it. Good. Hey, Andy, I got your message about the chewing thing. So the problem is, guys, chewing is not important. Ignore. We have gone through this. So the listening here, I'm grown up, man. I understand all this. The problem that if I'm muted and I'm far away, I'm like 7 feet away from the mic, and I have not one mic. I cannot mute. If I'm muted, I used to do that mute, but then I'm speaking something and by mistake, and I see a green candle, red candles on my screens, and immediately I take actions. I took the action. You guys don't know what action I took, and I'm speaking. So many people had a loss. You follow? So the chewing sound is important, or the loss is important, and because I have YouTube mic is different. And I cannot mute that mic YouTube. I had to go through 3 steps to mute that, because I got to click on one button and my hands are sometimes, dirty, so I don't want to touch my trackpad and make my computer, trackpad dirty. So I don't want to keep clicking everywhere. So I say, leave it. Let me go a little further away. So hope you understand. I'm grown up, man, guys. I'm very well grown up and very disciplined. But the only thing is that damn discipline gonna, look, people could lose money. Believe me. So that's the only thing, Andy. Just to answer your question, you're telling me about mute your mic while you're eating. I'm still trying to go further. I was like 7 feet away, but I had to watch my candles, because if I don't watch the candles, people could lose money. If anything happens, I can announce immediately while I'm very far. So we might have to sacrifice somewhere, man. I'm trying to be a pleasure journey for every 7 hours, but maybe some turbulence in the middle. So sorry about that. I apologize.
Yeah, that used to irritate me in the beginning as well, but I'm telling you what, just give it time. You start making money, and it won't even bother you anymore.
No, but his point is valid. Absolutely, it's important. See how we exit our all the puts at the right at the bottom, and look at the market is doing. You see that? This is how we trade, guys. Most of the people don't even have a direction what they're doing, and they're just jumping in, and then they don't know what size to enter, and man, God knows. Look at that. Now I'm waiting for lot of hours. William, I think there is some weakness in the market right now. Okay, my 390 put expiring October 7th are looking pretty good. I got 50 contracts at William, absolutely, man, great. But if you take a classes, you would know what mistake. I don't want to say mistake. Yeah, absolutely profit, but you would benefit a lot if you know what I'm talking about. Once you know the option class, take the option class, you would know how to trade all these fresh bullies. If they don't like the chewing, they don't have to listen. No, we don't. I'm sorry, guys, we cannot be the rules and disciplines, sincerity important, right, in the life. He is right, because he doesn't know the result of things, so I explain him. So he's right. He was teaching me the right things, and he's right. Hey George, what do you think good win rate before scalping up contract size? Man, these are questions. Just take the classes, guys. Just take classes, and we will go through all these things. The VIX just had a triple top. VIX had a triple top, right? Yeah, triple top. Now it's crawling higher, guys. Not triple top. It's keep crawling right here. So I would not say. The VIX. Okay, Josh, you don't have to apologize for chewing. Your listener need to grow up and realize that your service for overweight this inconvenience. No, I have to apologize because he doesn't know. But I agree, your point is very important, that the overweight of this inconvenience. Yes, absolutely, because because I do care about you. So if I muted, man, several times people, I was speaking, somebody come out, hey Josh, you are mute. And the YouTube was listening, say, Josh, you are mute on Twitter. Yeah, that's true. So people could not get the opportunity what I speak. And many people tell me the moment I speak is gold and nuggets come out of my mouth. So then if any important, because we never know which candle pop and what not. Like, look at this. Look at what happened here. I was waiting for this. That's why I was holding my sizes. These, I was waiting that this could happen. Otherwise, I take a loss, and I take the money and run. I take 20%, I run. 50%, I did not book my profit here because I was expecting something to happen. I know this support will be tested, but look at that. What happened? Perfect picture, perfect, man. How we exit. 91% profit I book, right? So that's the result. But because while I'm eating it, this would have happened, man. And if I would have muted, And imagine sometime my hands are dirty and I can't unmute, and it could be your mind is in candles, your mind is in your contract you trade in. And I had a bigger size, not like smaller size, which I was not a coin size. An ounce is not a coin. That this is a good setup. I like it. I say it's a golden setup. Remember, guys, how many different language I was speaking at that time. So understand slowly those who spend time with me here, they will understand, Josh, that how things I am trading, and things are I'm not disrespectful to anybody, guys. Okay, let's call that off now. Let's focus on trade. All right, so never do over trading. Remember, just let the market go, let whichever direction you want to go. Now you need to pause. The moment people make money, they want to jump in, right? So we do not want to cultivate that bad habits of making when you make money, you immediately give back to the market. Market knows that you're gonna give that money back. Some people don't give today, some people give it back tomorrow. But mostly people give out of the same money same day. So you need to cultivate good habits, not to overtrade. I had so many students, man. They said, Josh, I do so many trades. How many trades? I used to ask them 20 trades, 30 trades a day. If you keep doing like that and you doubling down or whatever the situation is, you lose money. I said, try to first test yourself and put 2 trades a day. Just do the 2 trades. First test yourself. Forget about making money. Because then when you do 2 trades, you will be more focused on your trade which you took. Then, and on top of that, you'll be not rushing to trade, because you think, hey, I'm disciplined to take only 2, so I'm not going to take a wrong trade, right? See the advantage you have, and accuracy will be way higher, and then you're going to love why? Because your confidence level goes way higher. Otherwise, you'll be just throwing the dart on the wall and you think you're going to hit the center. That's how things are, everybody trading. So minimize it. Yeah.
I feel like I'm going through these same experiences that you talk about, Josh. It's almost like you've already gone through it yourself. So you know me as a trader better than I know myself as a trader.
Yeah. No, I mean, I know. Look, everybody, we are human beings. We have same sentiment of greediness and fear of missing opportunity, FOMO. Every human being would have it, right? But only thing is, you need to level of conqueredness is important. Level of composition is very important when we are trading, because when we make money we get excited, when we lose money we get emotion is involved, our fear, our greediness, so many elements involved. And I have gone through enough in my life. 25 years I have spent trading. So that's why I always keep telling you guys, cool, calm and compose. That is the statement you should stick to your monitor. Cool, calm and compose, and limit the trades. And then when you limit, you will find accuracy. Accuracy is important in the trade, because that brings the confidence. Because the moment you lose the confidence, you'll be throwing tantrum, or you're gonna overtrade, or you're gonna go crazy and you're gonna lose money. That's not what we want. We want accuracy. That's why I want all the community profitable. If everybody profitable, imagine what would happen. Your level of confidence rises. Everything looks beautiful. So many advantage we would have. Less trading, we have so many advantage. But people think, oh, this is the top, let's go and short it. Oh, that's not the way to trade. This is the bottom, let's go and buy a call. That's not the way to trade. You could lose. So, God, please give yourself a break, Josh. Man, I had a 10 days off, remember? I went on a cruise. I had a good time. I enjoy my life. I take 2 vacations in a year, Christmas time and summertime with the kids, because kid goes to schools, then you back to normal. So I spend good amount of time with the community. And
You're exactly right, Josh. That's exactly the way I was trading. Is when it got to the top, I was trying to buy contracts thinking it's going to go down. And now you're showing me how to look for the setup and wait for the setup and be patient.
You took the yesterday class, Sim, and now how do you see the difference after taking that class and watching today and doing yourself and learning this? How do you see the difference, the setup?
Well, first of all, I'm aware of the mistakes I'm making before I make them now.
Okay.
And then I'm watching my indicators and making sure that I understand what I'm looking at when I see the MACD, and what it's telling me is more likely to happen as far as like where the market is. So I'm watching my MACD, I'm watching my moving averages, and I'm waiting for those indicators before I start to think about a trade.
Gotcha. I got wrecked by the spy calls. Wow, somebody said I got wrecked by the spy calls. When did you buy, man? You need to take a classes then. Take the classes. You will not do that mistake. Believe me, because people say I want to buy from the bottom, buy the calls. That's not the way. You once you take the class, you will not make mistakes. How I bought a call here? Do you know that I bought a call here in a bear market? I bought a call here. You saw that what I did, right? I bought a call here. Look at the market, but I could not hold on to anything. But I said market is gonna reverse. I did not participate much. I got squeezed a little bit, but eventually I said the market gonna go here. Look at my trend line I draw here too. Exactly spot on. Right? You can see that spot on rejection, and then spot on announcement that I will be entering into put. Right here announced that I'm gonna enter, and I enter here. Look at that. Not here, okay? I enter here. And then we have a trend line. I said you're gonna break the linear line right there, linear line. Then guess what? Went down. Spot on, right? That's called spot on. All right, guys, divergence coming in on north side. Bullish divergence. Watch out a little bit. So I'm gonna wait for now another 30 minutes and see what market brings, and then power hour starts. We will see. I'm waiting for another great setup. Do not create a FOMO. I will wait for another setup. Oh, Andy, oh no, you're fine, sir. It's just hard to focus when it is happening, but you give an insight, and I always look forward to your spaces. Thanks, Andy. Apologize, man. The best solution for that thing is I tell people I don't like to be rude, but if somebody, I understand, because somebody don't like chewing, what you can do, you can lower the volume sometime. I'll try my best to go away, but I need to watch my candles, and further out go, then it will be difficult. So just not to be rude, but to beneficial to others who can be okay, then you can just lower the volume while I'm eating. And my lunch time is 10 minutes, man. I'm up super fast. 10 minutes I'm done in my lunch, so just bear for me 10 minutes if you are not in the trade and if you don't care about listening to my any inputs. I always announce when I take my lunch. Okay.
I booked in under $45, and now I'm out of all my positions with SPY.
Yep, I'm 100% cash right now. Nothing, not doing anything, yep. And that's it. Let's see.
Yep, I'm the same.
Apple is now rolling down, man, guys. Apple today is a day now. Let me see. Okay, let's check it out. See Apple what is cooking. I think Apple today, at the end of the day, Apple gonna go to the finish line, and all the premium will be printing, all the puts probably. Let's see. I'm just guessing, okay? I'm not rushing right now anything. Look at Apple, guys. 25 million right here. You see that? 25 million. So they're gonna take the Apple to the finish line. They're gonna use Apple to finish line, probably. Look at that. Oh no, now call coming in on Apple. But still the flow quantity is the same. 2 o'clock. BSX call coming in, Tesla call coming in. Let's see Tesla, what Tesla cooking. Wow, look at the flow on Tesla, man. Crazy flow all day. The Tesla broke the support line there, right? Tesla, yeah, Tesla did. Tesla broke the support right there. Wow. Look at the Netflix today. Netflix doesn't want to wait. Say, hey, I want to go faster, guys. You can stay behind. Look at Netflix, guys. Something is cooking on Netflix. Today, Netflix day. Look at that. Wow. Golden opportunity out there. What's going on Netflix, man? $2.22 puts are 42 cents. Okay, I'm in. $2.22 puts I bought it for 46 cents.
Their chief accounting officer quit.
Something is cooking, right? Right, the books are cooking.
Yeah, Ken Baker resigned. He's only been there for 4 months.
Right here, Netflix principal accounting officer Ken Baker resigns. Right there. That whenever he says this is whenever you hear about accounting officer, dangerous, right? Something is cooking, man. Yeah, and man, Netflix has a lot more room to go down now. Lot more room. 320. Let me see. There's a gap. You see? Do you see, guys? Do you see something? What I see? Gap. Oh no, gap already filled. Way back gap was filled. It's okay. So where are we heading now? Let me see. 30 minutes. Gap just filled. 215. Next target. Look at that SPY LOD. Netflix is rolling. Okay, let the Netflix roll. We're gonna focus on Tesla rolling now. Tesla started rolling, guys. Tesla just started. Tesla. Wow, Tesla looks beautiful, guys. Gonna go down. Tesla can go to 272 and then the price target is right here. So maybe they can get it done today. No, this is too much. This could be too much today if they can go 266. Let's tweet.
Okay, so yeah, I looked at Netflix and Tesla, and I'm going to take some swings. I'm going to do the October 7th expiration, and on Netflix, I'm taking the 210 put, and on Tesla, I'm taking the 245 put.
Sorry, Sim, there's a lot of background noise coming in. It's little kind of hammering on my head. Apologize.
Is that better?
Yeah, now it's better.
Oh, I do apologize. I didn't realize that was feeding into my microphone. Thank you for letting me know.
Okay.
So I'm taking Netflix and Tesla October 7th puts, and I'm going to swing those. The Netflix is the 210 strike, and the Tesla is the 245 strike.
Got it. Man, the stock supposed to go down is Amazon. That's the one is not going. Everything else is going. The horrible, horrible balance sheet is not going.
Yeah, how can you lose $5 billion in 2 quarters and still remain popular in the trading community? I've been banging my head on that all night long, even asking some people on Twitter, and they're like, oh, Amazon's transitioning. And I'm like, yeah, I wish I could transition and take 6 months and lose $5 billion in the process.
Can I tell you something, Sim? On a Spaces, on a Twitter, if you're gonna bang your head with those they are one directional people, you will be gonna go nerd. You're gonna go nuts, and you're gonna go crazy. It's better to be just hang around with the community where they are not one sided. You know what I mean? You need to have the open minded people. The one sided people, either it could be bull, it could be bear. But if you go with the one sided people, they really message your mind, and you're gonna just drain your energy. So yeah,
Yeah,
I
I
noticed that.
understand that.
Yeah.
You're the only person who influences me. As far as everybody else I talk to, it's just kind of spreading the word, if you will. And those who want to hear it will, and those who don't won't.
I love to go to their community and talk about the classes, but sometimes I don't have time, and I don't want to go and talk about it because they think, oh, Josh want to make money. It's okay. I put my 1% of the profit today on Netflix. Of my today's profit, 1% put it into the Netflix. And let's see, end of the day, I'm gonna just let it go, see how much it could print. I'm already up right now, 22%, 25%, sorry. Somebody asking calls or puts. Come on, man. I already been saying Netflix is the financial officer left the company, and company going banana, selling off.
Yeah, definitely puts. Like,
Yeah.
I just got into the trade, and I'm already up on Netflix.
Imagine if they become in the money. If they become in the money.
That would be too good, Josh. That would be too good.
Market is bleeding. Yep, market is compressing, guys, right now. So I would give a time. If they will do the dirty things, and I want them to go in a one proper. I want them to go north, little. If they go north and then they go dump, you can imagine you can have a good ride back again. So I'm just composing myself and watching. Let them do whatever they want to do. I think they will spend another 30-40 minutes doing some activities and waiting for the great setup. I'll wait for a good setup and then we'll go. Man, Apple is started bleeding, guys. NVIDIA started bleeding. Apple would be the best one. Apple, what price is it right now? $148. They're still trying to go north a little bit. I want to short Apple. Today is Apple Day, I guess. Tesla already. I'm looking for 148 Tesla put, 148 Tesla put, not now, 16 cents, 17 cents, something like that, right? And then I'm expecting market to bounce, little bounce. You see this? Something like that, they will bounce up till here or up till here. Something they will do because it's only 250. So until 3:30 they will do some drama, and then last 30 minutes they will go to that direction to finish line. Thinking, could be wrong. Okay. So that's why I want to wait for it. I will wait for the better opportunity. Though market look like weak, but the MACD doesn't look weak to me. So I'll still watch. I could be wrong. That's why. Wow, Apple going, it's 26 million now. Put bearish. Tesla looks super bearish, man. Tesla still has Tesla not, no. Apple anything new? No, nothing new. Call coming in. Lot of put. Spy calls and put mix. I just got the feet wet on Apple put, just to coin, put it in, and then when opportunity arises, that time I grab. Okay, so even if it becomes 0 cents, I'm okay. You follow? All right, so Netflix is 78% up right now. Wow. 78% up. I will exit at 100%. 100% profit, 70, now 79, 80%. Wow. Yep, 82, give me 100%. So give me $1, I'll put $1 there. Or let it go, right? Because you never know market gonna roll, so don't put the $1, it's okay, let it go. Let it go. Man, loving it, this. Look at the Netflix, guys. 105% profit. 105% profit. Netflix. Wow. 111% profit. Woohoo! I did not expect that this is going to be that fast, man. Netflix. Wow.
Yeah, Josh. I got in at 470 and I'm looking at 530.
Nice.
535.
Yeah, Apple I'm up, but small quantity. Apple is 13%.
I'm always cautious around Apple because it's
yes,
in
you're
so
right,
many
100%.
traded funds.
Yep, you're right. I agree with you. I added Apple more. Apple more puts.
Spy's breaking again, Josh.
Yep, that's it. Now I'm stick to the. I'm right now focused on my Netflix, man. I want to make money right now on Netflix, but it looks like Netflix is my 176% profit. Netflix, 176% profit on Netflix, guys. Wow. Wow. 200% profit. 182% profit. What?
Oh, VIX is at 32.
Wow, look at now market is printing, man. This is what we're talking right now. This is where we're talking. So Yep. I want to focus on Apple. Actually, I love Apple. I think they're gonna use Apple. I don't know. Apple never makes more money, right? You're right. Actually, I agree with you. So Netflix is the one making money, man. So I love it. Netflix. Netflix has a room too. Forget about Apple. Apple is fine. Look at the Netflix baby rolling because of that. Look at that. So where we are heading to 215. Yeah, 215 Netflix.
Up 18% on Netflix and up 5% on Tesla already.
Good job. $208% profit on Netflix. $35% profit on Apple. 17 cents is now 23 cents. Apple. Market is bouncing. Watch out. I took my profit on Netflix. 150%. Man, I had a 200% profit. Cannot wait. What a great sell off, right? Market gonna go north a little bit, and then probably everything will come down. That's what I'm thinking. Could be wrong. I want to buy back the Netflix, but different strike price. 220 is 16 cents. Okay. I mean, I use my profit. Whatever the money I made in Netflix, I put back in a profit. Took my capital out. Let the market go up. How far? All the bear will be sitting at the bottom and they're gonna go north. This is the resistance to watch. Right here. See, that's the divergent now going north. I would like to go north, man, but oh, look at that. See what I told earlier, that they're gonna take it north 30 minutes until 3:30, and then they're gonna do a different game. Rejection right there, need to watch now. But they're gonna wait, spend time out there. More time they will spend here probably. Let's see. Right here. I think they're gonna take it up here. Let's see, divergent, rejection, anything. I think they're gonna spend time out here a little bit, 20-30 minutes. Just guesswork. right there. That's the resistance. SPX call, trend line breaking. $3,700 is right area. Let's see, this is the critical zone. Let's see the activity. Man, Apple puts are growing. They're gonna make Apple puts are like 2 cents and then they take it up. What do you think? Oh wow, look at the spike calls. Solid calls coming in. Okay, so they're gonna take it up and then they're gonna take it down. Let's see. Added more Netflix put. Average down some Apple put also. Oh, which put Netflix is 2220 and 22250. I have two different strikes. Still market gonna play around here, still bullish. You see this around here, this is a support to watch. This is a wedge, so market still bullish, might go and test the VWAP. Still is bullish, everything is bullish. Look at now we are converting, so it's gonna be more bullish. EMA looking more bullish, watch out. Everybody is bearish, right? So they're gonna take it north here, where all the bears will be washed, right? That's what that goal is. So that's why I'm not entering into SPY or anything crazy. I want them to go all the way to the top. Where we go? Apple breaking upward. Look at that SPY breaking up. Home Depot is holding well. Yeah, Home Depot looking good too. He's right here in the price of control line. He's right here, same center, same area, 270 and 267 range. Home Depot. We're gonna go and test here where the VWAP is. strong and bullish. Look at the EMA and the MACD, both are bullish. So maybe W pattern right here, you see this, and we might go and finish this because all the bears are sitting at the bottom. You follow? That can happen too. So right here, 1, 2 and 3 right here. So these are the steps to watch. Once you get rejection, we'll keep eyes on it. I need to wait for a good setup because it's only 3:19. They spend another 15-20 minutes out here. Let's see how far it goes. When the weakness, we need to look for it. Okay, rejection, but still MACD not. Okay, so still is bullish. So what do we do? Already trend line trying to right there, but still is bullish. Once we need to come here, this breaks, then only bearish. Until then, it's just gonna ping pong. Now euro is against dollar is 96 cents. Used to be 130, right? 135. Now it's 96. And US pound is 108. 108 US pound. $1.08. It will be be parity pretty soon. Alright, now weakness coming in the market on a MACD. Let's see. Still the price is strong. Okay, price is still strong. Want to go north. MACD still doesn't have the diversion. Am I still on Netflix? Yeah, oh yeah, those are. I'm still holding. I'm using my profit. Put it in. Okay. Hopefully it's gonna print. I'm still in Apple. I'm still in things, but I'm waiting for my major activities and SPY focus is on my SPY. So something going to happen. Look like. Oh boy. Alrighty. Let me see now, guys. I'm going to focus on diversion coming in. SPX. $3635 is $1.10. I put $1.10, 3635. Still the EMAs are strong, you follow, remember. So still this line, once this breaks, I would go more. Right now just to trying to coin out. They're gonna wash out all the premium until they become cheaper, you follow. That's why they become 50 cents, 60 cents, 40 cents, like that. So it's better to be catch the momentum. I don't see a momentum yet. unless we break this. Once that breaks, then we'll see. They show weakness and then they take a U-turn. That's why I don't trust much. You follow? Look at Apple still looking stronger here. That's why I don't trust much. Here we go. Still not, it's still bullish. I still see a bullish. It will go bounce right here probably. If they wanted to go south, they're not gonna show you they're gonna go south. They're gonna want to go they will go north because they're showing you something. So they're gonna make a trip. Let's see. Already bearishness building up right there. They will spend time here for the burning premiums. You follow? That's the goal. $1. See that? What did I say? That's the champion. This support, see this, they are controlling perfectly. Same thing just like yesterday. They don't want to give out any money to anybody. Want calls, bulls, call, bulls, bear, both are controlled very well. See that? Green, red, green, red. So let me exit of my put. I do not expect anything rolling right now. They're gonna do in a last 5-10 minute game. Don't want to burn anything. You follow? Because still have 30 minutes to go market. That's what they're gonna do. Yes. See, what did I say? They're gonna bounce, right? You see that? That's what they do normally. Okay. 70 cents. Mm-hmm. They might test the VWAP. That's bullish. Yep. Mm-hmm. They want to go right here north, man. I cannot go north. We have a bunch of resistance here. I wanted to go north, but I can't because of resistance. And they know that no, they want to go north. Look at that. Everybody was bearish right in the bottom. VWAP right there. VWAP 335, 20 cents, 25 cents. Still bullish. All the EMA looking super duper bullish, but the VWAP is right here and trying to break through, and we're gonna test this 367. $0.25. I paid 25 cents on a put 3635. Just to average down, but nothing big quantities. They still spend some time out here, like 20 minutes, 15 minutes. The moment it goes down, they push it up. You see this? The wick below the body, they push it up. So right there. Still my average is 45 cents. There we go.
I'm doing the same thing, Josh, but on a different strike.
They're gonna hold around here to burn the premium because last minute, right? All the premium will be burned. So they do like that.
And I've already made my money for the day, so I'm just fooling around with like a, chump change, just like you said. like a quarter into a slot machine.
Yep. Still bullish. Look at that, man. These people, they will go at the last minute. Netflix and everything washed out, Apple and everything washed out. That's why imagine always wait for the last minute. Anything. Particularly this event. Look at that blue engulfing candle, powerful. Right? See that power? They want to go north. Because they know that. Thank God we were not here on the call puts or anything holding. That's the critical stage. $0.45 now. Break even. Right here, give me now 15, 16. Too much greedy. Okay. Here we go. Go, baby, go. Come on, man. Still holding good. Yeah, man. Solid. What a game. Man, I was profitable at the end, and then look at that whole 2 grand candle washout. Oh, here we go. Do it, magic. There we go.
Yeah, now's the time. 25, 24, 23 minutes left.
But burning the premium, you follow you. These people are holding there, you know, they are not rolling. I want to roll a little bit. Put a couple of candles. Not rolling. Still bullish. Nothing. See that? Look at the MACD and signal line, everything is controlled by them, all the premiums, so people can make money. That's the things. Last 10 minutes maybe. That time right now is nothing, no opportunity. VIX is going down. I cannot go long on a VWAP. Look at call activity. See this call, lot of call. Look at the call loaded here. Yep, a lot of call. Raju Victor, okay, trading. Thank Josh started trading option on a minute candles from 2 weeks and 80% success. Good job. They're gonna go north. Look at the activity of call, solid. Here we go. See that? Breakthrough. Everybody waiting at the bottom right here. Okay, let me go and buy a call then. $3,700. Oh boy, puts come in. $2. Price of control line is right there at the top. Oh wow, okay. Still call coming in, wants to go. All the bears sitting in the bottom. I cannot trade, man, at the price of control line either. No good, no bueno. Oh, put coming in now. Price of control line is right there. $36.70. Breaking the price of control line. Look at the power. Look at the war at the price of control line. Look at that. 3660. $0.25. 3670. Wow, look at the see W pattern right here, trying to finish here, 368, $70. Price of control area is right there. Once they bulls and bear fighting right there. Call still coming in. Mm-hmm.
$14 more candles to go.
Yep. They'll go north right here, 368.72. Weakness coming in, but that's the price of control line, man. We have the price of control and I cannot go longer and I wanted to go short, but these people are super duper holding. Look at the week below the body. You see this week below the body, that they don't want to push it down. You follow? That's the reason. So it's the catch 22 here. Looking at 3675 put, but I want it 3675, but they're holding very well on the top, so I cannot go. Once we break the VWAP, then is a good shot. Until then, it's just guesswork, and we don't trade on guesswork on this one because they're holding it very well, and I cannot go long. Yeah, weakness coming in now a little bit. Okay. MACD pointing south. The VWAP is right there. 10 minutes to go. There we go. Okay. I'm input 3665. Paid third 40 cents. Look at that bounce. That's I can't trust much. VWAP is right there. Every lot of washing out.
Yeah, they're scaring people out of their positions.
Yeah, because right here you see this price of control line is right here, so can go longer, but the support is intact. Once the VWAP breaks, then we can go down. So that's why I want to be a little careful here. You can play little coins, but as far as I don't see a weakness, only MACD weakness, but the price is not. Why fight the trend? Yep, why? That's why I'm not fighting. I'm trying to go with the coin. It's a Lotto. I cannot. Lotto looks bullish, doesn't look bearish. But they are trying to break through, and then look at that. See, that's what they do. They go here, right here. Still above the VWAP. It's bullish. Price of control line is here, 368. Upper looking bullish. Last minute game is like, if you get a momentum is the good, that's it. If you stay in the trade is not good, it just becomes $0. Because of they control all candles power. Five minutes left.
Hit the sell-off button, Josh. Tell the market to dip.
It's alright, man. this is how they always play on Friday, most of the time. That's what I was saying, that they're gonna take it down, 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 and then they take it up. Sometimes they take it down in last 5 minutes. You follow? They do like that. The game is over. That's it. Finito.
Big red candle. Come on.
No, you can. That's nothing gonna much help.
Come on. No bottom in the next 4 minutes. There we go. Come on, more power.
MACD is showing power too. EM is not. Trend line broken. VWAP is right here. You see this VWAP, so they're gonna control. Don't expect anything in the here. I would have gone the long, man. I would have gone long, but the problem was the higher price of control, and you see, that's why I did not go. I wanted to go long. Thank God I didn't go. I wanted to go from here to the long. But I wanted to go short, but short is VWAP line is right here too. So short you can do crazy thing because VWAP, you can put a coin there. MACD is still pointing south, but all the Netflix, Apple puts wiped out 0. So whatever the profit made on the Netflix is gone back in Netflix. And then I added at the end more. Boy. So some Fridays are good, some Fridays are bad. Man, this Friday was like, everything was great until here, right? Even this bounce, but then eventually here we burn out some money. I hear almost I would say easily 60-70% profit is gone. Even little you trade here is goes away. But good lesson those who are listening here, that how to trade in the end, because sizing and all those things they don't know anything, because people don't take the classes, so they don't know. You have to know the setup. Lotto is a different game, how to play Lotto, because otherwise this market take your money. Yeah, this market you need to understand how to trade. Lottos are dangerous. Lotto, you can burn them all the money if you do not know what you're doing. That's why you got to test the water. You got to look at the resistance trend lines, how far it is, what not. Look at, they take a you see this U-turn, beautiful U-turn, took it. They do that most of the time. They do like this. Several times I had not noticed that, and I said that several times they do like this. Look at the price. What I said. They are heading here to finish. Oh, market close.
Yeah, that's it. Well,
Yeah.
I made a good, healthy bit of profit. I went 70% over my goal, so I'll take it.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, I did good today. I really made some really bad mistakes, but I was able to wiggle my way out of it, but I should have known better. But I learned a lot, and what I learned today from trading is worth every second. So I learned a lot, and I got I got a good amount of money in my pocket, as well. So it was a good day overall. Plus, I enjoy being here with everybody.
That's too man. Today is a great play SPY that Netflix. All the best play was that when took off, market took off opposite direction, and then they sell off right here. This was a great play here. That was a beautiful play. What was the profit again? But approximately 100% I took the profit. That was a great one. That was a golden nugget right here. This is the best one. But then the Netflix was good, 150% profit, but the quantity was not like, size was not great because I just put some profit in that. But the all other small chunks you keep putting at the end, that takes your profit out. But at the end, that's what people need to learn, because people do not know. They just want to jump in and say, oh, let's go make money. Sometimes it's difficult in the last minute because you don't have steering wheel in your hand. Yeah. All right. Anyway, so guys, today is what is today? Today is Friday, right? Oh, so we will have the class probably starting in 5 o'clock. I'll start the class. 4:30, 5 o'clock. I'll start the class, and then second class will be 6:30. Okay.
All right, then I'm gonna take a break. I'll be back.
Okay, I'll text it to you, let you know which one would be. Okay.
Sounds good.
What's up, Brendan? How are you, man? Lotto didn't work, Brendan.
Hey, Josh, how you doing?
Good, man. What's up?
Pretty good. Yeah, I played a little bit in the morning and then just listened on YouTube. But yeah, those 36, 35, man, SPX puts.
Mm-hmm.
I rang the bell at 40% gain there, and then I took 75% off. And remember how I always say I have a hard time letting them run.
Mm-hmm.
So I set a stop loss like just a little above like a 10% gain, type of thing. And I was like, okay, let's let these run. Well, exactly the opposite happened. Nothing ran. It went way back down, and I think that's when you're like, watch out. And then the stop loss triggered, or the stop triggered. I shouldn't say stop loss, but the stop triggered. So I got out on those last 25% on 10%. But it's funny. The days I set the stop, I don't get the runners. It's a difficult market, but hey, green day overall, and that was a good day. It was fun in the morning.
Yeah, that's true. Bottom line is there has to be green. The small drop, and then you put your profit towards your whatever you want to trade. That's how things would be when you look for a setup. That's what I tell people: look for setup. If the setup is not there in you playing, then you got to be very careful what you do. Setup is important because market always gives you 1 or 2, 3 setup a day. It depends on what it is. But if setup is not there and you throw the money, you could lose. But absolutely, man, it was
always fun watching it. It's been a fun week. So yeah, thanks, man. Have a great weekend.
Yep, throughout the whole week, entire week, every day, every single day is a positive day. I think a positive day as far as I remember. Yeah. Got it. Okay. So I will set up a class. Maybe 4:30 would be technicals, and Let me see who is not taken the classes macro. Yeah, 5:30 would be a technical fundamental class. Let me see. Yeah, technical fundamental class. T2 done. Yep. So we will have the class of technical class today at 5:30. Probably I'll start with the 5 o'clock to be safer side. Okay, 5 o'clock, and then the 6:30. I need to see, probably would be an option class. Need to see what it is. Yeah, or just text me, guys. If anybody need to join any classes, just let me know which one you want it, and I'll schedule accordingly. That I'm also going to the few people who already paid yesterday. Yeah, let me bring that right here. So those who wants to take the class, just text me here, 732-325-2000, and that will be technical class today after hours. Okay, market close, and we're gonna do probably in an hour before 5 o'clock. I'll text you the things. So if you want, just text me here, 732-325-2000. Okay. Alright, what else, guys? I needed to practice using stop loss, but with options. It's crazy, because yeah, critical to use them in this volatile market, right? They did. Well, whenever you play lotto at the last minute, you have no steering wheel in your hand. That's why first you need to learn to make the profit. If you have profit, then you can play with the lotto on it. And lotto is like, you can lose everything. You put money in a machine, you never come back, right? Same thing. Lotto is like, you got to be very super fast to take the money, even if you get some profit faster. So it's dangerous. Lotto is super dangerous. Sometimes market creates a good opportunity, but if they if the controls like this, then you don't make money. But if there's a nice momentum kicks in like this, you make money. If you create a momentum, you make money. But then weak like this, you gotta be quick. They change direction fast, super fast. By the time you enter in and out, you one green, one red, game over, right? So that's what they do. They do little fast. They play a little fast. So you have to be fast to be quick. The moment you become more greedy, a little more, it becomes opposite. That's it. 40 cents become 70 cents, and then 70 cents become 30 cents. Within 3 minutes, everything changes, right? That's why it's a Friday game. Everybody was bearish, and then they want to take it up. So look, we all exit here, right here, everything. In fact, Netflix and everything we exited, took the profit here. I had a 214% profit in Netflix. I took 150% profit despite here. See that? And I noticed market bouncing. I did not have the position, but then whatever the money I made out of that, I put it into Netflix and Apple, some money out of my profit percentage, and then double down here also. But that profit, Netflix profit, gone. Sometimes setup is good. You can make. If there is no setup, you cannot. At the end. Alright, guys, let's call it a day. If anybody just any question, just text me messages here, right here. If you want to take the classes, let me know. Alright, so let's enjoy the rest of the day, guys. Okay, I'll text you those who already paid for it. Probably I can take question 1 or 2 if you want. Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, Josh.
Hey, MC, what's up?
Hey, doing good. Thank you, Josh. Your trading is very helpful. I've been following you and trading from like 2 weeks, very profitable.
Oh, okay, good. What did you trade today?
Today, basically, I did many like QQQs, Amazon puts, Amazon calls, Adobe calls. Yeah, like 2 weeks, consistency is good. Thanks to you, your minute-to-minute charts are very helpful. I've been tracking yours and buying and selling.
Thank you. No problem. Anytime, man.
And Josh, what do you see Adobe like long term, like 1 month or so? Like given that they recently acquired this like Figma company and the stock dropped like 20%.
Right now, the market condition is important. It's not about Adobe. It's about the market. So Adobe right now, everything looking bearish in terms of looking at the chart because of the market conditions. So we need to wait for the market, and I think I would wait. I would not touch Adobe for long term, even though you think it's cheap. But because I have seen that in the market, when tsunami comes, it wipes everything. So still, I don't see diversion on the market. Once the market has diversion, we'll see. Until then, I would just wait for so. If you want, take classes, you will know what I'm talking. I will teach you everything, the financial fundamental, technical financial fundamental and options, and that's how you choose to buy and and calls, and it's worth it. It's up to you. You want to take that.
Yeah, eventually. Right now, like next week onwards, the work is gonna be hectic. So eventually, yeah. Thank you so much.
No problem. Anytime. Yep. Okay, if anybody has a question, let me know. Okay, so what trend line not working all the time? Trend line not working. Trend line is the fastest way it can work, man. Fake out happens is those fake outs and all this, man. Trend is your best friend. Depends on where you draw and how you trade, what minute and how stuff like that having. Have a great weekend, Josh. Take care. Oh yes, we have a volleyball tournament tomorrow, so we're gonna have fun. That's why no classes tomorrow. Okay, today is the class in the evening. Yeah. Alrighty, guys. Let's call it a day. Thank you very much for being here.